Want to start a YouTube channel but feel totally overwhelmed? You don't need fancy cameras, expensive software, or years of experience. Just a phone, a plan, and the guts to hit record. Oh, and maybe a little caffeine. But hold up. Before you make the one mistake every beginner makes, spoiler, it's picking the wrong niche. Let's break down exactly how to start a successful YouTube channel from scratch. Stick around because at the end, I'll give you a free YouTube Starter Kit PDF to make your journey 10x easier. The first mistake? Picking too broad of a niche, like I'll vlog my life. Unless you're a celebrity, no one cares. Yet. Instead, pick a niche where people are already searching. Use Google Trends, YouTube search, or AI tools like ChatGPT to find trending topics. Examples of great starter niches. Tech reviews, but make it niche. Budget laptops for students. AI tutorials. If you're watching this, you already love AI. Fitness hacks for busy people, because who has time for the gym? Bad niches for beginners. Everything and anything. Too broad. Daily vlogs. Hard to grow without an audience. Trying to be Mr. Beast. He already exists. Be you. Tip. If you're stuck, combine two passions, like fitness for gamers or tech for minimalists. Now, let's set up your channel like a pro so it actually looks legit. Here's what to do. Step 1. Set up your Google account and YouTube channel. Go to youtube.com, hit Create Channel, and don't overthink your name. If stuck, use your own name or something simple like AI Hacks with Alex. Step 2. Design your channel art. Use Canva, free, to create a banner that tells people what your channel is about. A logo or profile pic. Use your face if possible. It builds trust. Step 3. Write a killer about section. This is not a resume. Make it fun and explain what viewers get from your channel. Example. Hey, I teach AI hacks to make life easier. If you love AI, productivity, and futuristic tech, hit that subscribe button. Cut to someone staring nervously at a camera. What if I mess up? Spoiler alert, you will mess up. And that's okay. The secret is starting before you feel ready. The best first video idea? A who I am and what my channel is about video, even if you don't have an audience yet. Filming tips for beginners. Use your phone. 1080p is perfect, no need for 4K. Good lighting. Expensive cameras, film near a window or buy a $20 ring light. Sound matters more than video quality. Use a cheap lavalier mic or even your AirPods. Biggest mistakes to avoid. Waiting for perfection. Your first video will be your worst. That's normal. Not optimizing your title and thumbnail. Use bold, readable fonts and bright colors to stand out. Not posting consistently. Aim for one video per week at first. So, how do you actually get people to find and subscribe to your channel? Step 1. Use search-friendly titles. Bad. My first video. Good. How I started my YouTube channel in 2025. Beginner guide. Step 2. Make eye-catching thumbnails. Use Canva. Add big text and avoid clutter. Simple, else clickable. Step 3. Promote smartly. Share in Facebook groups, Reddit, or Quora, where your niche hangs out. Comment genuinely on similar channels. Don't spam. Secret hack. Pin a comment on your own video saying, "What's stopping you from starting your channel? Let's chat below." This boosts engagement and tells YouTube to push your video. And just like that, you're ready to start your YouTube journey. Want a step-by-step YouTube starter kit with templates, checklists, and thumbnail examples? Download it free below. Comment below. What's your new channel name going to be? Let's build something amazing together.